What is up, guys? Check out this RedMagic. Feel that powerful airflow. See, it's still that signature active cooling fan we all know. And that classic, transparent, industrial design. Plus, our favorite true full-screen display. Our old friend, RedMagic, has brought us the RedMagic 11 Air. They even designed a unique box for the Air Edition. It really makes you want to jump straight into a match. So, let's dive into this gaming phone and see exactly what makes it Air. The model I have here is the 16GB plus 512GB version in Quantum Black. The damping sensation of the box is quite premium. I can already see the phone itself. But first, I want to show you guys the included case. SIM ejector tool. It is a hard shell case. This case follows the classic RedMagic style. As you can see, it is a rigid, textured corrugated case. Listen to that. The texture is so sharp, you could practically file your nails on it. From here, you can see the layout of the camera module. The camera module doesn't feel very prominent, at least with the case on, it's perfectly flush. Now, let's take a look at the phone itself. It is indeed noticeably thinner than previous RedMagic models. The familiar RedMagic industrial design is all here. It still features that iconic transparent back panel. This quantum black finish gives off a heavy mecha style vibe. The RedMagic logo has moved to the top right. On the side, we still have what should be the fan vent. It probably has integrated lighting as well. And here is the camera arrangement. It is classic RedMagic through and through, very bold and rugged. However, the back panel now has smoother, rounded transitions. There are rounded edges at the bottom, and on this side as well. And here is that signature red customizable shortcut key. I'm guessing this is a customizable shortcut key. Over here, look at the fan. This must be the air intake. Alright, let's power it on. Check it out from the side. Let's get a feel for the thickness first. While it might not be as thin as the Air models we usually see, like an iPhone Air or something, you have to remember, this is a gaming phone. For a phone in the gaming category, this is incredibly slim. It's definitely thin. The best part is, we don't even know the full specs yet. If the battery is big enough, that would be even more impressive. Alright, moving on. Let's check out the rest of the accessories. Here's a fast charging brick. Look, it is a USB-C port. See this? I'm not naming names, but you know who I'm talking about. A 120W-C2C charger, and it is surprisingly compact. And here is the signature red C2C charging cable. We've got the screen lit up now. Let's get through the setup first. Check out that screen-to-body ratio. It looks great. It's definitely a true full-screen display. Keeping up with the RedMagic tradition, the haptics feel excellent. See, I told you. It is a true full screen. What do you think? Just look at that immersive screen-to-body ratio. For an Air version of a gaming phone, the hand feel is definitely worth talking about. It feels really unique when you hold it. The midframe is flat and boxy, but the back panel has a nice rounded feel. It really lacks that typical bulky weight of most gaming phones. Wow, honestly, that's quite impressive. Now, I've got a question for you guys. Do you think this part looks more like a ribbon cable, or more like a heat dissipation film? To me, regardless of what it looks like, it definitely gives off a sense of mechanical aesthetic. You get what I mean. Finally, let's switch on the fan, and show off the RGB lights for you. Wait, this part is actually the flash. The lights are here, and the fan is right here. My bad. I got it wrong just now. Now, let's witness the magic. Alright guys. Feel the powerful airflow of this RedMagic. See that? For more details about this phone, I'll see you all after the launch event. Bye bye.